Welcome to my channel Cenaz Beauty. Must follow this all step before face yoga. First, wash your hands properly to remove any dirt. Second, wash your face with clean water so your skin feels fresh. Third, apply a light cream or natural oil to your face. This will help smooth movements and prevent skin pulling. Circles around eyes. Improves blood circulation around your eyes and reduces dark circles. Eye corner taps, strengthens delicate eye muscles and helps prevent fine lines. Upper eyelids press, reduces puffiness, keeps eyelids firm, and prevents sagging. Eye bag reduction press. Helps reduce eye bags, refreshes tired eyes, and improves your overall look. Temple massage relieves stress, relaxes facial tension, and makes your eyes feel lighter. Temple lifting massage gives a natural lifting effect to the outer corners of your eyes and prevents drooping. Palms on, closed eyes. Deeply relaxes your eyes, reduces strain from screens, and calms your mind. Breath oxygenates your skin, gives you a natural glow, and reduces stress instantly. Practice these exercises daily for youthful, bright, and healthy eyes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel Cenaz Beauty for more beauty and face yoga tips. Also, join my Telegram group, the link is in the bio, where I share exclusive guides and tips you won't find anywhere else.